Hey, Master Guys! As you can see, this at the beginning was the dance of the happiness. And yes, today we have iPhone 14 Pro Max and we will make an amazing unboxing. This smells so good. Ooh, I'm in love with this phone. This phone we will unboxing and we will check out what is inside, what bring this box is really beautiful and smell like new. I love this. So as you can see here we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max and is 512 gigabytes. uh, I didn't buy 1 terabyte because in my country they don't have in this moment, and I don't want to wait that they will bring this phone in like 2 months or something. So now we will wait this new iPhone to see how heavy it is with the box and without the box. So now we just have to put the how to measure, and I noticed that I put for water. So now what we have to do is to change 2 grams. I'm fighting with this. So yeah, finally we did it. So as you can see is 424, no wait, 421 grams with the box. So later we will measure just the phone. So as you can see, here say iPhone 14 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California, assembled by China. China is involved in everything, but it's okay. Let's to open this. As you can see, I have my phone in the hands, so it will be really difficult to open, but we are fighting, and we will open. Yeah, we are closer and closer, we are more closer, and I saw that finally we did it. So we have to open the second part, and let's to continue. We will open soon. Yeah, this we are fighting. Okay, the second one was easier. So now how I will open this? Okay, I saw that if I will turn, this will be really easy. Oh yeah, it's easier like this. So let's to take here up and gold. This was the iPhone, the color of the iPhone that they have in this storage, 512 gigabytes. So I take what they have. For me, this is no problem. As you can see at the beginning, you can see that the camera is super amazing because they were telling that this camera will be 48 megapixels, so have to be really big the camera. So now we will wait again to see how heavy is now without the box, because we were measuring also the charger. So as you can see now, is heavy. This phone is really heavy. It's totally different. By the way, this video I'm recording with iPhone 11. So now I have iPhone 14, and we will make a review again, like between these two iPhones, iPhone 11, iPhone 14. As you can see, have 245 grams. So is a little bit heavier than iPhone 11. iPhone 11 was weigh like 230 or something like this. So for this is like better. Also, I was measuring the iPhone. I was measuring the iPhone how heavy, and this one is a little bit, just a little bit bigger than this one from before. But this is nice. Here make me really surprised because as you remember in the presentation of iPhone 14 Pro Max, this iPhone will have the dynamic island. So this will make that have one kind of transition when we will use this notch in the top. So I cannot wait to start using all the setups of They were telling that the iPhone will have no SIM card, but as I can see, the iPhone have a SIM card, so they were lying or they didn't know. Maybe this will come in 2030, I don't know, in 5, 6 years maybe. But now it's too fast to change to not have SIM card. Maybe in some countries they start using like this, but as you can see in my country, didn't came like this, came with everything. Everything is bigger. Look, the camera is really big. It made me really happy because this makes sense. Because this suppose that will take better photos with these really big cameras. I like the color. My iPhone before was like kind of gray or black, I don't know. So this iPhone now is like gold. This is so nice. So I really cannot wait to use the Apple in the back is bigger also. So is everything really nice. The material of this iPhone, as I was telling in videos before, is of titanium, one of the most powerful and more, I don't know how to say, quality material in all over the world. As you can know, before was different material, but now everything changed with this of the material. This is a waterproof iPhone, so that means that you can go to the water, but I won't try because I don't want to lose the money that I put in this iPhone. In my country, this iPhone cost, normally the normal price supposed to be like 1,900, almost 2,000, 512 gigabytes, but I get it for 1,730 euros. So really much money, I know, but this is something that like we have to have because this iPhone that I have before was already old. Is iPhone 11, so this is iPhone 14, totally different. So now we will start putting so much videos about this new iPhone. I'm really happy to have this new iPhone, and we will stay tuned. So I will just ask you to subscribe to the channel, to share this video to your people, and let's do it. Let's to continue putting more videos about this iPhone. And if you have some questions, please leave below in the description, and I will be pleasure to respond all your questions. So this is everything for the video, and ciao, adios, see you later, alligator.